with event intelligence, you say something like, let's map the room before we go into the room. What does that mean? We're talking about there's 4 people from the customer side or the prospect side. There's 3 people from your side. There's product experts. There's sales reps. There's executives. What does map the room really mean?
Yeah. So let's picture a floor plan, and instead of booths, we'll say it's our accounts, right? And then we take the attendee universe, right, and lay your world over it. And so it's your customers, your open pipeline, your target accounts, your partners, but also your competitor accounts too, because those are the same people going after your buyers, walking the same carpet that you are. So what you get back isn't a list of names, it's a ranked list with a reason attached to each one. The accounts got an open op in stage 3. This one churned a year and a half ago, and now their VP is going to be speaking on Tuesday morning. Those 40 net new ICPs are here, and who owns them, let's say, right? Then your meeting team actually works that instead of working a show director. We do it ourselves. We experience it. Our team goes to shows all the time and trying to identify even our existing customers and who's going to be there and what is relevant to them. That was a challenge, and we've always said we need to solve our own problems because that allows us to solve our customers' problems too. So instead of now 6 weeks of prep and a lot of Excel sheets and manual checking to do that, the system handles that and gets you there much, much faster.